Have you ever deleted an account thinking you canceled a subscription, only to see another charge vanish from your bank weeks later?
It's
You
important
are
to take
not
a moment
alone.
and reflect
Stopping an
on the
online
experiences
transaction
that have
is a
shaped
legal
us.
process, not just a
The
digital
lessons
one.
we learn
Your first
are
line
what
of
truly
defense
guide.
is revoking authorization directly with the company. Send an email stating you are revoking authorization for all future payments and keep a copy. This paper trail is crucial. If they charge you again, it is legally considered an unauthorized transfer. Should the merchant ignore your request, involve your bank by issuing a formal stop payment order. Most banks charge a $25 to $35 fee for this. While frustrating, it is cheaper than months of unwanted charges. Do not fall into the trap of simply reporting your card as lost. Card networks use an updater service that automatically shares new card numbers with merchants. To truly cut ties, ask your bank to disable this updating feature. Finally, monitor your statements. If you must call your bank about a stubborn charge, clearly state you are disputing an unauthorized electronic fund transfer. Using this precise legal terminology ensures your funds remain safely in your control.